Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Mr. English. I'm Luna.
And I'm James. Thanks for joining us today. Whether you're on your way to work, cleaning your room, or just taking a walk, we're so happy to have you with us as you keep improving your English.
In today's episode, we're talking about something everyone wants to know: how to learn English faster and more effectively.
That's right. Not by studying harder, but by studying smarter.
Exactly. Learning a new language takes time and patience, but how you study makes a huge difference. So today, we're sharing powerful tips to help you learn faster and enjoy the journey too.
Consistency is everything. Learning English every day, even for 10 or 15 minutes, is much better than studying for hours just once a week.
Think of it like exercise. Short daily workouts are more effective than one long session. Your brain needs to see and hear English regularly to really learn it.
Find small ways to include English in your day. Listen to a podcast while cooking, read a short article at lunch, or review a few new words before bed.
Even 5 minutes counts. When English becomes a daily habit, learning starts to feel natural.
Surround yourself with English as much as possible.
Yes. Change your phone language to English. Watch your favorite shows with subtitles, and then challenge yourself without subtitles.
Listen to English songs and try to catch the lyrics. Label things around your home: door, mirror, table.
And my favorite, talk to yourself in English. Say things like, "I'm making tea," "I'm opening the window." It sounds funny, but it really works. It trains your brain to think in English.
Try not to translate everything in your head. That only slows you down.
Start with short, simple thoughts, directly in English. At first, it feels strange, but slowly, your brain begins to think naturally. No translation needed. Instead of memorizing long lists of random words,
Learn phrases. For example, not just book, but I'm reading a book, or this book is interesting.
phrases give you context. They help your brain remember faster and sound more natural when you speak.
And remember, just 1,000 common English words make up about 80% of daily speech. Learn those first, then build from there.
Don't wait for a partner. Start practicing on your own.
Record yourself and listen back. Try shadowing. Repeat after native speakers on YouTube or podcasts.
Copy their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. It's one of the fastest ways to sound fluent.
And remember, mistakes aren't bad. They're part of learning. Each one teaches you something new.
Your mindset is powerful.
Tell yourself, I'm improving every day. Mistakes help me learn.
Celebrate small wins, like understanding a song or using a new word correctly.
Positive energy keeps you moving forward.
Let's quickly go over some common mistakes English learners make.
Number 1, studying but never using the language. You must use what you learn.
Number 2, focusing too much on grammar at the beginning. Communication comes first.
Number 3, being afraid to speak. You learn to speak by speaking.
Number 4, comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed.
And number 5, giving up when it feels hard. Consistency always wins.
All right, let's say a few sentences together. Repeat after us and say them with confidence.
I'm learning English, and I'm proud of my progress.
I make mistakes, and that's how I learn.
Every day I speak better English.
Perfect. Repeat these every day. They'll help you feel confident and positive. I love watching English shows, first with subtitles, then without. It helps me understand how native speakers really talk.
I write a short English journal every night, just a few sentences about my day. It keeps me thinking in English naturally,
I listen to podcasts when I'm walking or cleaning. It keeps English around me all the time.
and I use voice notes, short recordings in English. They help me check my pronunciation and fluency.
So remember, be consistent, use English daily, learn phrases, stay positive, and enjoy the process.
Learning a language takes time, but every single day, you're getting better.
Thanks for listening to Learn with Mr. English. If you liked this episode, share it with a friend, and don't forget to follow us.
Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. You can do it. You've got this.
You can do it. You've got this.